So for my parked car class, the responsibility simulates a parked car. Properties will have make, model, color, license number, and minutes parked. For the make, obviously it'll put the car's make, model, the car's model, the color, and the car's license plate. The number of minutes that the car has been parked, and then I use getter methods for each property. For my parking meter class, it's pretty simple. We're just simulating a parking meter. Properties we have in it is purchased minutes, number of minutes of parking times purchased. And we're using a getter method for the purchase minutes. For our parking ticket class, its responsibility stimulates a parking ticket. Properties, so we got the parked car. It's a reference to the illegally parked car. The fine, the amount of the parking fine. Police officer name, the badge number. And as you can see, it generates our parking ticket. So we got our system out print. And that's how it'll look in the output. Our methods for report, it displays the information about the illegally parked car, fine, and issuing officer. For the police officer class, the responsibility of this class is to simulate a police officer inspecting parked cars, the property's name and badge number. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're just going for the name of the police officer and his badge number. Methods we use will be examine car. We're going to pull the parked car from the parked car class, the parking meter from the parking meter class, and this will check if the parked car's time has expired and issues a parking ticket if necessary. Then we go to our main method, the parking ticket simulator class, and this brings it all together. It basically demonstrates how the classes collaborate. The main string, ARGS, creates instances of parked car, parking meter, and police officer, and examines a parked car and parking meter and reports a parking ticket if issued. And that's it. Hope you have a great night.